so fun, so exciting. Just kidding, it's gonna be boring as crap. Because today, I don't even know what I'm gonna do today.
Throw a party, loser.
My mind is right. I should throw a party. That's gonna be so cool. Imagine all my friends there. Woo, yeah! Okay, it'll be so fun. Yeah.
I'm doing the worm.
Hi, pal. You wanna come inside my clubhouse?
No. Yay! Party!
Yeah, that would be so cool. Alright, so now I need to plan my party. Alright, who's gonna invite some friends over? Hi guys, it's me, Jerry! And today, I'm going to be hosting a party. So y'all should come over. I'm inviting everybody in the world! Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be an awesome day. Can't wait to play on my PS5, you know. Oh, look, it's a video from Jerry. Oh my god. Come to my house for a party. Party time. Hi, pal. Want to see my clubhouse? God damn it! Gosh, my phone keeps on ringing. Alright, what do I... Oh, Jerry sent a video. Coming to his house for a party? Heck yeah! Let's go, pal. Oh man, today's gonna be so good, bro. Oh, look, it's a video from Jerry. Come to my house for a party? Heck yeah, I can party. Let's go. Oh yeah! Whoa! Can't wait for another shift of work. I can sell more medicine. What? Oh, video from Jerry? Come to my party for a party? Yeah! Be like Party City up in there.
Hey guys, I suck in this guy's bed. I heard there's a party. Oh, I can smell carrots. Yeah. Wow, PlayStation gift card. Crap, they're already been used. Here's the bed. Dude, I got in. Yeah, let's get this party started. Woo!
Wow, this party was so good. Got some flashing lights and everything. Wow.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, you! Hobo! Get the fudge out of here!
Oh, jeepers, dude! Oh, no! Oh, no, my hair! Dude, I'm out of here!
Gosh, I really need some security, huh? I should get a guy to bodyguard that room, so no one else can get in. He'll have a list. Heck yeah! Alright, let me just try to find someone. Hey, you're gonna be our bodyguard.
I'm Thurman.
Alright, let's go. We have a bodyguard now. Heck yeah!
I'm Thurman.
Okay, Thurman. Am I on the list?
Yeah, sure, you can go in.
Alright! Alright, we're in. Move out of the way. Yeah! Oh yeah, this party's so swifty.
Hey, Gramps. What are you, 80?
I'm only 19.
Yeah, 1919. Oh.
Well, stop bullying me, you pranksters.
Yeah, Gramps. Sit down, Gramps. Yeah. Get pushed around, Gramps. Ooh. Out of Gramps.
Bodyguard!
What? Ah! Get down!
No, it's not me! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Job well done. I'm Thurman.
Looks like you got roughed up, huh? All you need is like a little fudge round. There you go. There you go. Whew. Rough times. It's alright, dude. It's alright. It wouldn't be a party without my Tickle Monster! Ooga booga ooga booga. I sense something bad situation.
But I'm not old and crusty like Biggs.
Wow. When a bad situation comes, guess who's here? It is the Tickle Monster. He has appeared. Booga 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 booga.
Get off of me!
Oh.
Guys, this party's a disaster. You know what? Everybody, party's over!
Oh man, screw you, Jerry. I'm out of here. I'm Thurman. Whatever. Catch you on our next job, Jerry. Nice party, yeah.
Whatever, Gramps. Come on, Gilbert.
Booga booga booga.
That was the worst party ever! I'm never hosting a party again! That sucked!